Welcome to our latest video where we explore the top 5 best drawing tablets of 2024 as artists and designers continually seek the perfect tools for their digital creations. The technology behind drawing tablets has significantly evolved. Today, we'll dive into the newest and most innovative tablets on the market, examining their features, usability, and overall performance. Whether you're a professional artist or a budding digital enthusiast, join us as we unveil the tablets that are redefining the boundaries of digital art and design. Stay tuned to discover which tablet might be the perfect fit for your creative needs. Number 5. Gaomon PD2200. The Gaomon PD2200, a standout in the world of digital artistry, boasts a 21.5-inch full laminated screen, offering artists a vast canvas for their creative endeavors. Its impressive 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution ensures that every stroke and color appears crisp and vibrant, bringing digital artworks to life with remarkable clarity. The tablet's 266 pps report rate guarantees a smooth, lag-free drawing experience, essential for both professional artists and hobbyists. What sets the PD2200 apart is its sensitivity to pen pressure and tilt. With 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity and plus-minus 60 degrees brush tilt recognition, it captures the nuances of every stroke, closely mimicking the feel of traditional drawing tools. The battery-free MR pen technology further enhances this natural drawing experience, eliminating the need for frequent charging. Ergonomics is another area where the Gaomon PD2200 shines. It comes equipped with an adjustable monitor stand, which can be tilted from 15 to 85 degrees, allowing artists to find a perfect drawing angle. This flexibility not only caters to different drawing styles, but also helps in reducing strain during long drawing sessions. Priced at $399, the Gaomon PD2200 presents itself as a highly competitive option in the market, balancing advanced features with affordability. Number 4. XPPen Artist 22 Plus. The XPPen Artist 22 Plus is a cutting-edge drawing tablet that blends high-end technology with artist-friendly features, setting a new standard in the digital art world. At its core is a 21.5-inch display with a 1920 by 1080 resolution, offering ample space and clarity for intricate artworks. The screen impresses with a 130% sRGB color gamut, ensuring that artists see a wide range of colors vividly and accurately, crucial for high-quality digital work. A standout feature of the Artist 22 Plus is its fully laminated screen, which reduces parallax and makes drawing as close to pen on paper as possible. This is further enhanced by the revolutionary X3 Pro Smart chip, which powers the tablet's remarkable performance. The chip enables the world's first 16K pressure levels in a stylus, providing unparalleled precision and sensitivity in capturing every pen stroke. Ergonomically designed, the tablet includes an adjustable multi-angle stand, allowing artists to work comfortably at their preferred angle, thereby reducing fatigue during long drawing sessions. The XPPen Artist 22 Plus prides itself on its high compatibility, seamlessly integrating with various systems and software, making it an excellent choice for professionals working across different platforms. Connectivity is a breeze with full-function USB-C and HDMI options, offering versatility and ease of setup. Priced at $580.79, the XPPen Artist 22 Plus is an investment for serious artists seeking a blend of high-tech features and user-centric design. Number 3. Huion Kamvas 24 Plus. The Huion Kamvas 24 Plus is a formidable entrant in the world of high-end drawing tablets, boasting features that cater to the demands of professional digital artists. One of its most impressive aspects is the integration of quantum dot technology, which elevates the visual experience with a 140% sRGB color gamut and a striking 1200:1 contrast ratio. These features ensure that colors are not only vivid but also incredibly accurate, essential for high-precision creative work. The tablet features a spacious 23.8-inch screen, coupled with a 2.5K QHD resolution, providing artists with a large and sharp canvas for their projects. The use of full lamination technology and etched anti-glare glass minimizes distractions from reflections and maintains the integrity of colors, offering a comfortable and true-to-life drawing experience. Pressure sensitivity is paramount in digital art, and the Kamvas 24 Plus excels with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. This feature, combined with the ability to detect nuanced pen tilts, allows artists to emulate the feel and flexibility of traditional drawing tools, bringing a natural and intuitive feel to digital artistry. Connectivity is a strong suit of the Kamvas 24 Plus, featuring 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, providing ample options for connecting to various devices and peripherals. This versatility is a boon for artists who work across different platforms and devices. Priced at $799, the Huion Kamvas 24 Plus positions itself as a premium choice for professionals seeking top-tier performance. Number 2. Wacom Cintiq Pro 17. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 17 is a top-tier drawing tablet designed for professionals who demand the utmost in color accuracy and responsiveness. Its 17.3-inch 4K touchscreen display is a visual feast, capable of displaying an astounding 1.07 billion colors. This wide color spectrum includes 100% Trek, 709 and 99% DCI-P3 coverage, making it an ideal choice for high-end graphic design, video editing, and animation. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth transitions and a responsive experience, crucial for fast-paced creative work. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, the Cintiq Pro 17 offers an exceptionally natural and precise drawing experience, capturing every nuance of pen pressure and movement. This feature, combined with the tablet's high-resolution display, allows artists to work with incredible detail and accuracy. User experience is further enhanced by the 8 customizable express keys, easy to adjust on-screen menus, and improved multi-touch and pen gestures. These features allow users to tailor the tablet to their personal workflow, improving efficiency and comfort. The Easy Stand is another thoughtful addition, offering a fixed angle height that's straightforward to set up and install. This stand provides a comfortable and ergonomic working position, reducing strain during long working hours. Priced at $2,499.95, the Wacom Cintiq Pro 17 is a premium investment for serious professionals. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq Pro 22. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 22 is a pinnacle of digital drawing technology, tailored for professionals seeking unparalleled color accuracy and responsiveness in their creative work. It features a 21.5-inch 4K touchscreen display that dazzles with 1.07 billion colors and built-in hardware presets for a range of color spaces including Adobe RGB, sRGB, DCI-P3, Rec. 709, EBU, Rec. 2020, PQ, and HLG. This wide color gamut is complemented by a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring near zero latency and a seamless drawing experience. A key highlight is the Wacom ProPen 3, Wacom's most advanced pen, featuring 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, 3 side switches, and customizable options including interchangeable grips and adjustable weight and balance. This level of customization allows artists to achieve a highly personalized and comfortable drawing experience. The Cintiq Pro 22 also boasts 8 customizable express keys, easy to adjust on-screen menus, and improved multi-touch and pen gestures, enabling users to tailor the tablet to their specific workflow preferences. This customization extends to its ergonomic design. While the stand and arms are sold separately, the tablet is compatible with a vase arm or the fully adjustable Wacom Cintiq Pro 22 stand, which supports rotation and tilt, allowing artists to work at their most comfortable angle. Priced at $2,999.95, the Wacom Cintiq Pro 22 is a premium offering in the digital art market. Its combination of a high-fidelity display, advanced pen technology, and customizable ergonomic features make it an ideal choice for professionals who demand the best tools for their creative pursuits. Thank you for watching our roundup of the top 5 best drawing tablets of 2024. We hope this guide has helped you in choosing the right tablet for your creative needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in digital art technology. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which tablet caught your eye.